Hello YouTube. Today we'll be looking at the Air Instruments Sputnik, a small modular synth which has a few ICs in it. Today I'll be taking it apart to try and fix it. I bought this one about 6 months ago and it no longer works. So the goal of this video today will be to open it up, take a look, see what's inside, and then see if we can fix it. Based on the quick checks that we did, the voltage regulator was not performing correctly, so replacing this small component, the L7805CV, now the Sputnik works again. Hooray! So thank you for your time in watching this video. I hope that you like and subscribe if you found it interesting. I hope that you participate in the general strike, which is happening in the United States on January 30th, 2026. Don't buy anything, don't go to school, don't shop. Hope to see you then. Bye.